Do not make this for breakfast. If you like oily, unhealthy breakfast, if you want to make healthy breakfast, which is nutritious too, then let's begin. You need 3 cups of idli rice, 1 cup of urad dal, little bit of methi, wash it nicely and soak it overnight. Next day, grind it with a little bit of cooked rice and leftover batter. After grinding, let it ferment for another 6 to 8 hours, and after that it looks like this. Add a little bit of pink salt, stir well. You can make idlis out of this. You can make dosa out of it. It's delicious. So guys, this has been my breakfast since I was born. Almost every single day. We have been having this only. Either idli or dosa. I prefer dosas more than idlis, for sure. What do you prefer? Idli or